Hi everyone, it's Grace. When we talk about climate change, we often think about the sky or the ocean. We think of it as this distant, massive problem that only governments can solve. But lately, I've been thinking about a different front line. I've been thinking about our homes. As someone who lives and breathes climate action, I have realized that it is not just about what we say, but how we live. Our homes are where climate crisis become personal. It's the heat keeping us up at night and the rain we watch with worry. Today, I want to show you how to turn your home into a sanctuary of resilience. We can feel the earth getting warmer, and for many of us, our first instinct is to get more electricity, more AC, and more energy. But climate action is way better than that. We need to help our homes breathe. Look at your windows and your roof. Instead of letting the sun dominate your space, let's use nature to shield it. Planting a tree in the right spot isn't just an hack. It's a way of saying, I am adaptive. It is about choosing solutions that protect us without hurting the planet even more. Then there is the water. We used to pray for the rain, but now, for many of our communities, rain brings the fear of flooding. Part of the SDG 13 climate action discuss about this. Is your compound covered in concrete? When we pave over every inch of the earth, we give the rain nowhere to go. By keeping some green space, we are respecting the cycle of nature. And if you can catch that water, rainwater harvesting is one of the beautiful ways to show that you value the resources the earth gives us, even when they are overwhelming. I do this because I believe we are not helpless. Climate action is not just a chore. It is an act of love for our families and our future. When you make your home resilient, you are not just saving money. You are proving that a different way of living is possible. You are becoming a catalyst for your neighbors and your community. I want to help you take that first step. I have put together a home resilience guide that focuses on simple, soul-centered ways to prepare your home for the changes we are seeing. You can find a link in the description. Awareness is where we start, but action is where we find our power. I am Grace, and let's keep protecting what matters most. Don't forget to subscribe if you are ready to be a catalyst for change. See you in the next one.